This is attorney Simon Aziz Budhwani. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the initial critical deadlines related to a DUI arrest. The first one that comes to mind is the DMV hearing deadline. From the date of your arrest or citation, you have 10 days to request a DMV hearing. You do so by contacting the driver's safety office or the driver's safety branch of the Department of Motor Vehicles. This is different than the typical DMV location where you go to get your license renewed and so on and so forth. You have to contact the driver's safety office within 10 days of your arrest or citation. Weekends do count to request a DMV hearing. If you do not do so, what's going to happen is 30 days from the date of your arrest or citation, the DMV will automatically suspend your driver's license. So it is absolutely critical that the DMV hearing be contacted either by yourself or by your attorney within 10 days and have a hearing scheduled. Now, the second critical deadline is related to the criminal courts. The criminal court is different than the DMV court. Unfortunately, here in California, we have to deal with two courts. We have to deal with the criminal court that is tasked with determining whether you should be imposed a criminal penalty, including fines, probation, jail time, so on and so forth. The DMV, on the other hand, and that DMV hearing we just talked about, is simply tasked with whether your driver's license should be suspended. Now, the criminal court can also suspend your driver's license. However, they usually defer to the DMV to make that decision, and they focus more on the criminal penalties. With the criminal court, the initial critical deadline is the arraignment. Now, if you're in custody and you haven't been released on your own recognizance or posted bond from jail, then your arraignment is going to be within 72 hours of your arrest. However, if you have posted bond, bail, or if you've been released on your own recognizance, your arraignment is usually going to be 30 days or so from the date of your release. Now, that's a loose deadline, particularly here in Orange County. LA County's on the ball on it, so is Riverside and San Bernardino, but Orange County, the district attorney's office is a little bit behind, and quite often when you go to court on that initial date, the DA is not ready and charges haven't been filed. Charges are usually filed, within 2 to 4 weeks after that initial date, but it's still very important to go to the courtroom where you're tasked to do so on your release citation paperwork on that first date and get proof that you showed up. Otherwise, it's possible that the DA could have been ready and a warrant could be issued for your arrest. So those are the initial critical deadlines that have to be met in relation to a DUI arrest. My name is attorney Simon Aziz Budhwani. I'm a partner and trial attorney at Core Law Group. We're located in Orange County, California. I can be reached at 949-505-2479. Again, 949-505-2479. I'd be happy to speak with you, and at the very least, I can guide you and point you in the right direction. Thank you, and have a blessed day.